Do you ever feel that your photography is missing like a wow factor? You know, like award-winning photos. What if I told you there is a way to transform your photography by mastering the art of composition and the natural drama formula? Bonjour, my name is Serge Ramelli and I've been doing cityscape and landscape for 19 years, trying to capture emotional, natural drama photography that will evoke an emotion. Now, since I learned the natural drama formula, I got my work in over 120 galleries around the world, and I've published 7 coffee table books. I've also been published in hundreds of magazines, including twice in National Geographics. If you're like most photographers, you probably struggle with getting your photos to stand out. You're posting on social media and nothing really happens. Maybe you've tried different angles, composition, lighting, but something seems to be off. The truth is, without a complete understanding on how to compose and how to post-process your photo, it's hard. It is hard to create photos that really captivate people. But what if you could learn the secrets of composition that many professional photographers use to create real depths and real stories in your photos? Imagine you can turn a beautiful sunset of any city into a masterpiece. You take the best possible raw file in camera, and then in Lightroom or Photoshop, you make it even better. I'm thrilled to introduce to you the Institute of Photography of Serge Ramelli. In this institute, I'm going to teach you how to compose, how to find the best possible photos, and how to use the natural drama to create incredible, impactful photos with great composition and interesting stories. Even if you're shooting cityscape, landscape, wildlife, or street photography, this institute will get your photography to the next level. Imagine your life if next time you travel, you can get award-winning photos that could be published in magazines, that could be sold in galleries. How would you feel? Photography can be frustrating when you're not getting the photos you really want. You might feel like you're missing something, but you're not sure what it is. You don't have the right guidance. It's easy to feel stuck and lose confidence, and you might not have 10,000 hours to figure it out. Now imagine you're able to take any scene and find the right composition, find the right light, get an amazing raw file, and make it even better with the natural drama format, whether it's in Lightroom, Luminar, or Photoshop. It all works. And now you have a stunning photos, an award-winning photos, something your family, your friends, galleries, publishers, newspaper will be proud to have. The photos are not over-retouched or under-retouched, they're just perfectly retouched. Picture yourself taking photos that will impress your friends, your family, your customers, social media. Photos that stand out from a crowd where people just stop and stare at your work and are very impressed. You know, you're creating the effect you want to create. With Institute of Photography, I will coach you one-on-one so that you can create amazing compositions that help me. Like for example, this photo, I made the cover of this magazine in California. I'm going to walk you through with videos, with coaching. I'm going to show you 5 mistakes that I see over and over again. You're going to get feedback from me and my team at every step until you can actually do a perfect cityscape, a perfect landscape, and if you want optional, a perfect portrait with a flash. Like Tim Shield that did my training and who became this incredible photographer who sold millions of dollars of photography products. Jacob Bors, who was a beverage in charge of a hotel in a 4-star hotel in Isle of Skye, who sold over the last year over $1 million photography products. Or Lisa Walsh, who has over 600 photos on Fine Art America.
Hi, this is Lisa Walsh, and after graduating from the Institute in 2020, my images were stronger and my print sales on Fine Art America tripled.
Or JT, who got over 38 hours just last year. And also all these other photographers had this to say.
Serge is the number one. After his full training and mentoring also on the Facebook group, I decided to quit my job as hotel manager and starting a new career as a fine art photographer.
I've been taking photographs for over 60 years. It was kind of incredible. I mean, and the key to it was the personal attention. It just worked.
I would recommend the Institute, I have to say, because my keeper ratios suddenly multiplied more than tenfold. Many of my photographs now have in my portfolio that wow factor, that wow, and that's really important to me. And those two things are worth that bit of paper 10 times over.
I have created hundreds of beautiful photos and built 3 photography brands that bring me 6-digit income annually.
2021, I was diagnosed with a very large brain tumor, depression and feeling of loneliness. My husband bought me a new camera and he said, Kim, you've got to come out of this. He lit up, he was happy, he smiled, and he said, Kim, this is wonderful. I would highly recommend Inner Circle. I wouldn't have done it any other way.
The training that I've received from Serge Ramelli has been life-changing for me because it has helped transform my photography from being a passionate hobby into a full-time professional landscape photography business. So if you're sitting on the fence and you're wondering if you should buy one of his courses, I highly recommend that you do. You won't be disappointed. You will learn from him, and it will help take your photography to that next level, to go from good to better or from great to greater. So I highly recommend Serge's courses, and I say thank you, Serge, for helping transform my photography, which has ultimately changed my life.
Maybe you're thinking, yeah, I've tried courses in the past and they didn't work for me. Or can composition make such a big difference? Or Lightroom is too hard for me. I have a hard time with software. The Institute is designed to help you overcome this. The Institute is designed to be coaching one-on-one, to give you feedback, to work together, to overcome these barriers so you can actually make it and have the photography that you've always wanted your entire life. No matter what you experience, whether you're a beginner or intimidated. I've been coaching people in this program that have taken photos their entire life. Actually, most of the people are doing the Institute have been photographing their entire life, but I also got beginners on it, no problem. So if you're ready to really be the photographer you want to be and have your work stand out, I invite you to the Institute of Photography. This is your chance to learn from somebody who has walked the walk, who has his work in 120 galleries around the world, and who's published 7 coffee table books. I would have given anything to have this training 20 years ago, to be able to be mentored like this 20 years ago. Now, because it's a one-on-one program where I spend a lot of time coaching people with me and my team, we have just very few spots available. So make sure you apply right now if you don't want to miss out. If you're like me and you have the eyes, you have the passion, come and join me and I will help you get to where you want to be in your photography. Let's unlock your full potential as a photographer. I'm sure you can be that great photographer. Thank you so much for listening. Let's talk. I can't wait to see what you're going to create next.